Yana, the road construction they go on. This now one of the longest streets na Simbek or Kenema, Hotaguan Street. His Excellency tell we say it will embarrass the people of Kenema with development. And we don't see him. That word, that name where they call him, talk and do. It don't really prove him. And we don't see him. So you they see this now the Hotaguan Street, one of the longest streets na Kenema. You they see how the road construction they go on. Una they see the engineers and they around. Una thank you very much. We appreciate this na Hotaguan Street. This na Eli Street, na the intersection at Inap. Una they see Brigadier Bio. We appreciate this na Kenema. And where you go middle of the town, they see say now Kenema they resemble like a city. Yes, Kenema city. This is what we call city. So Brigadier Bio will tell you thank you. We'll not dance for nothing, and will they see how development they go on. Since where they born me, I never see Kotana Simbek. Now you don't come put on day. So with that, I ever remain grateful to you, and I remain for support you. Pape, Yana the road, you they see.